Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar booking on Shopify. This is a powerful feature that allows customers to book appointments or services directly from your store, making it incredibly convenient for businesses like salons, consultancies, or any service-based operation. Let's dive right into the setup process. First, head over to shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your Shopify homepage, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Settings, which will take you to your store's configuration hub where you can manage various aspects of your business. Now that you're in the settings area, look to the left side again and click on Apps. This section manages all the applications connected to your store. From here, click on Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find thousands of apps designed to extend your store's functionality, including the booking app we need today. In the App Store's search bar, type BookX and click on it when it appears in the results. This app is specifically designed to handle calendar bookings and scheduling directly on your Shopify store. Once you've opened the app page, click Install. This action will redirect you to a new tab where the app will request access to some personal and store data, which is standard procedure. Go ahead and click Install again to authorize this access. Now you'll need to wait until the installation completes. Sometimes this process takes a bit of time, so be patient while Shopify integrates the app with your store's systems. Don't close the tab or navigate away during this process. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the app dashboard. Click on Services under the BookX section, then click Create New Service. This is where you'll set up your first bookable offering. Input a service name that clearly describes what you're offering, then click Browse to select a product from your store that corresponds with this service. After selecting the appropriate product, click Select to confirm your choice. Next, click Continue to move forward with the setup. Now you'll reach the time slot generation section. Click Generate Time Slots and input both a start time and end time for when this service is available. Under Generate Slots for, select the day or days you want these time slots to be active, then click Generate. This creates the actual booking windows that customers will see. After that's set, click Continue again. Now you have the option to input block out dates and times. This feature is optional but useful if you have holidays or specific hours when you're unavailable. Once you've added any necessary blockouts, or if you're skipping this step, click Next. The following screen allows you to input a minimum advance notice and capacity setup. This is also optional, but it helps manage how far in advance people can book and how many slots are available simultaneously. When you're satisfied with these settings, click Next to proceed. Now you'll configure payment options, which is a crucial step. You can choose from full payment, partial payment, book now, pay later, or deposit. Select the option that best suits your business model, then click Next. This ensures customers can pay in the way that makes most sense for your service. The next section lets you add locations and team members, which is optional depending on whether you have multiple locations or staff members who provide services. Once you've configured this or chosen to skip it, click Next one more time. You're now at the review stage. Take a moment to look over all your settings and make sure everything is configured correctly. This is your chance to catch any errors before going live. Once you're satisfied, click Review and Publish in Store. You might see a notification that says App Embed is disabled in Live Theme. Click on this notification, then click Go to Theme Editor. This takes you to where you can enable the booking functionality on your live storefront. Once the theme editor loads, make sure the BookX toggle button is enabled. This activates the booking calendar on your store. After enabling it, look to the upper right corner and click Save. This commits all your changes and makes the calendar booking feature live on your Shopify store. And that's it, you've successfully added calendar booking functionality to your Shopify store. Customers can now book services directly through your website, streamlining your scheduling process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.